I think Nigeria saved AudioMac.
Yeah.
They're the one place that uses AudioMac than any other place
The
in the world, the platform. So it's already showing you lucrative market, numbers grow fast. Nigerian musicians, they have videos with long views, just like the Americans.
Yeah.
Born 145 million on an 8-month video.
Yeah.
But it's the numbers. They have the numbers, and then
Yeah.
of course abantu abanemali bafuna ntoni, they want to see their return. They will put more money towards that.
Yeah.
You feel me? So when it comes to SA, same vibes, but SA is not big. And as much as we think, yeah, we love music, some people don't care. They're in the gas suffering.
Yeah.
Some don't even listen to radio.
Yeah.
Some only get to listen to Lama Piano Swatanda Greti only on a weekend.
Yeah.
They're not playing it on Spotify. They're not downloading it or anything. If they're gonna download it on YouTube and put it on the phone.
Yeah.
So the artist didn't even benefit much.
Anything, yeah.
So there's a lot, and then on top of that, we have labels that wanna make sure that they dominate the scene. Cause Abopore, aren't they partnered with Sony?
Yeah.
And it's a good move, get the music out there. But in terms of like in markets, in terms of bro in SA, there's not many artists that I wanna put 150,000 USD on a music video, and I'm sure Davido, they do 10 times that at the level they at right now.